Hello my lovelies, I hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to solve for this problem where we need to calculate the value of x, which is nothing but the common hypotenuse for both of the right triangles. So let's get started and see how we're gonna do that. We have this figure. Let's just name the figure first. Let's just name it as A, B, C, D. And now from point B, let's draw a line parallel to side BC and name it as BM. Now, as these two sides BM and CD are parallel to each other, then this angle, which is of 60 degree, must be equal to this angle because they are going to be corresponding angles, right? Taking triangle AMB, we can write that AB upon BM is equal to sine 60. Substituting the value of AB and sine 60, you will get 3 upon BM is equal to root 3 by 2, and on solving this, we'll get BM is equal to 6 by root 3. Now, let's just draw a line parallel to the side BC from point M and name it as MP. Now, as MP is parallel to BC and we can see that BC is perpendicular to CD, therefore MP must also be perpendicular to the CD, right? And as BC is parallel to MP, if this is 4, this MP is also going to be 4. Now, considering this triangle MPD, we can write MP upon DP is equal to tan 60, and substituting the value will get 4 upon DP equals to root 3, and from here DP is equal to 4 upon root 3. Now we have these values. Let's see how we're gonna use them. We have DP is 4 upon root 3, and we do have BM is 6 by root 3. This BM is nothing but equal to CP only, so CP is also going to be 6 by root 3, and combining both we'll get CD as 10 by root 3. Now considering this triangle BCD, we can solve for the value of x using the Pythagorean theorem. Therefore x square is equal to 10 by root 3 square plus 4 square, and on simplifying this we'll get x square is equal to 100 by 3 plus 16. On further simplification, x square is equal to 148 by 3. Taking the square root both sides, x is equal to root of 148 by 3, and on simplification it's going to be 2 root 37 upon root 3. But as we have an irrational number in the denominator, we have to rationalize it, so my final simplified answer is going to be 2 root 111 upon 3. So that's my answer for this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.